my beautiful angels. I'm LashGo. We're going to do an unboxing. So let's get stuck into it. I'm excited, yeah! Oh, I know what this is. This is my other fidget spinner knife. We are opening it together. This feels a lot better than my other one. This here feels really nice. The design. Same on both sides. Spins quite nicely. Now we just have to work out how to open it without cutting ourselves. There we go. The blade has got a pattern on it. Do not spin it like this, it will cut you. I do need a shave. Okay. So that's just spin a knife. It's got little holes in the blade. Alright guys, that's it for today. Just another quick one, another quick unboxing. Remember, subscribe. If you're new, welcome. Like, comment, hit the bell button. Please help me get to 100. I'm 88, I think. Come on, guys. So that's the spinner there, the knife spinner. Alright, guys. I'm LashGo. Remember, stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool, mate. Thanks for watching. I love yous all, my angels. See you next time. Bye.